this video, we're going to show you how to use and troubleshoot your new Darttech Fusion Blaster. First, let's unpack everything. Safely remove all of the cable ties. Remove the harness by pressing the orange button next to it. Remove the zoom scope by sliding it backwards. Push the button to release the cartridge. You can remove the blaster extender by twisting it anti-clockwise. Insert the apex darts into the cartridge with the tip following the arrow marked. Reassemble all parts by clicking into place. Hold the button to adjust the shoulder harness to your desired length. The vented barrel is attached by simply screwing it on. Slide the zoom scope onto the top of the blaster. Rotate the eyepiece on the zoom scope to adjust your focus. Attach the handle by inserting and twisting. The handle can be attached to multiple areas of the blaster. Ensure the cartridge is fully locked in as shown. Carefully unscrew the battery compartment using a Phillips head screwdriver. Adult supervision or assistance may be required. Insert 4 AA batteries as shown. Carefully replace the battery cover and screw. Whilst holding down the rev trigger, firmly press the firing trigger to start blasting. The included stand can be locked in below the blaster extender. The 8-dart cartridge is required when using the stand. Your belt holster can hold your spare cartridge. The quick release button allows for fast and tactical cartridge changes. If nothing happens when the rev trigger is pressed, ensure the cartridge is fully locked into place. And check that the batteries are inserted correctly. Not firing? Check for jam darts using the jam door.